Well, it's time to get back to the doing some greenhouse work. I don't have the screws, they're back ordered still, so we'll be waiting on those, plus the replacement sheet that I have. But right now I guess it's time. It's warm. It's about a plus 14 to 16 today, so I got my glass, my butyl tape ready to go. I got some of this quickcrete to finish off the one side, but I definitely want to get some glass in while it's nice and warm, and do what you can, not what you can't. Let's get going. I know you can't see much because the glass is so clear, but just above this vent here, I have glass across here and on the other side as well. So I didn't want to go too high on the other side because I still have things I have to do. I have to cut certain of these little holder rails. I have to cut these to make them smaller depending on where they have to go. Like for example right here, this is not a regular size piece, so I don't want to cut anything until I know I've used all the whole ones. But yeah, I've done that. It's a little chilly today. It was beautiful yesterday, and then it rained, then it got cold. But yeah, it's a beautiful day, and I'm gonna end it here because I'm tired from carrying all the mud around, and I gotta go and start my job at a new place in London. So you guys have a good week, and we'll see you next week. Keep growing.